Hi, I'm Jack from K&B Audio, and today we're going to be unboxing the IC6-ST ceiling speakers from Elipson. So upon opening the box, you'll find the product manual and installation guide, and then your ceiling speaker cutout template. In the second box is your ceiling speaker. You'll see on the top of the speaker is your pre-installed speaker grille. This is nice and easy to take off and refit. It's simply magnetic. It just comes away and pops back into place. As you'll see, this is a single stereo speaker. So in the rear you have the woofer and your two tweeters for your left and right channels. These are adjustable tweeters, so they move in multiple directions depending on where you'd like them to face. So on the rear of the speaker, the most important part here are your speaker terminal connectors. You have for your left channel and then for your right channel, as this is a single stereo speaker. Simply push the connector down, put your cable in, and then release to hold it in place.